In this chapter, the Buddha is teaching Subhuti about the nature of the world and how ordinary beings perceive it. The Buddha asks Subhuti if all the worlds of a trichiliocosm were crushed into tiny particles, would these particles be numerous? Subhuti answers that they would be extremely numerous. The Buddha then explains that if these tiny particles had real existence, then they would not be called tiny particles. The Buddha says that what he calls tiny particles are not actually tiny particles, but are given that name because there is no other way to describe them. Similarly, the Buddha says that what he calls all the worlds of a trichiliocosm are not actually worlds, but are given that name because there is no other way to describe them. The Buddha explains that to the extent that these worlds really exist, they do so as a composite, which is actually ineffable and cannot be described. The teaching here is that the nature of the world is beyond our ordinary understanding and language. Ordinary beings tend to form attachments to phenomena and cling to them as if they were real and permanent, but in reality, everything is constantly changing and ultimately empty of inherent existence. Therefore, the Buddha teaches that we should not cling to the world and its phenomena, but should instead strive for enlightenment and liberation from suffering. By understanding the true nature of the world, we can free ourselves from our attachments and delusions and attain true wisdom and peace.